Manila named world's most loving capital city in recent study. Manila, the most loving capital city in the world. A recent study by Crossword Solver found that Manila, the capital city of the Philippines, is the most loving capital city in the world. Filipino culture, a love-driven society. The study revealed that the high proportion of loving tweets in Manila is due to the strong emphasis on love and family in Filipino culture. Filipinos consider immediate and extended family as very important, and love is at the core of most families. 93% of Filipinos feel love on a typical day. This further supports the notion that love is a significant aspect of Filipino culture and society. The most loving capital cities and countries. Following Manila in the list of the most loving capital cities were Guatemala City, Luanda, Jakarta, and Mexico City. Guatemala was named the most loving country in the world, with 2,217 loving tweets per 100,000. Conclusion. The study by Crossword Solver confirms that Manila is indeed the most loving capital city in the world, due to the strong emphasis on love and family in Filipino culture and society. The result also highlights the significance of love and emotions in different cities and countries around the world.